Hello, welcome to my channel, Super Ninja here. If you're new to the channel, please welcome and like and subscribe. So today we're going to continue talking about mobile development. If you haven't watched the last video, watch it please. It's about how to do web development on mobile. So download the app Acode, right? And we'll start with the plugins today. Last time we talked about how to use Ecodex and other stuff. It's really important here. So again, watch the last video, and if you're bored, just continue. I think you get it, right? So the first thing you're going to have is Ecode LSP. Ecode LSP, from the word you can hear, it's an LSP for all those languages that are unsupported, right? HTML, CSS, and YAML. It just helps us do the basic stuff and all that, right? We need it. And since this is the setup video, I'm showing you how it works too, right? And you can download loads more plugins over there and stuff, right? But right now, what we want is to try and what is this? To try and create a file, a project, and see how it works. We'll create it in our root directory, unlike last time where we had Temax. So inside of Temax, we have a lot of permissions. We can even create symbolic links, but in our internal storage, we are restricted. So create a new folder, call it hello. So hello, all right, and we enter into a hello using Acode, of course, right? And like that. So open up, click the plus icon, add path, then select folder. You can go into your storage, Acode, right, and tap on your hello. Use this folder, and okay, so we have the folder hello. This is the same folder as the other one, the one we just created. This is the same folder. So let's see. We're going to do new file, right? New file, and this will be our index.html here, index.html. So you want to do some front end. It's pretty usual doing CSS and whatsoever. We'll talk about React later, right? So there, index.html. We have our HTML like that, and you can do your HTML5 and whatsoever. But for that to happen, we need snippets. We need snippets. They contain all those fancy quirky real stuff, like, and install there. Acode works more like VS Code. You download plugins and you can plug and play like that. So it's really good. And mobile development is actually possible here. HTML5, hello, and we delete that meta keyword. So hello world here. Dang it. Oh my. Okay, we got it. The meta, we delete the buildy, and we do the h1 hello, of course. H1 hello, and we save them. We play there. That's the hello. We have our hello world. Checking devices, you can even check for how it will look like on PC, on mobile, and other devices like that. You go back. Now we're going to have one thing, extra syntax highlighting. We need the extra syntax highlighting. It highlights your brackets, it highlights your colors, it highlights all those stuff, right? And yeah, that is how it works. So play. Oh, I needed to reload that. Let's look at how the difference. No difference because we need a theme that supports extra syntax writing, for which I will go with Acode GitHub Flow. So GitHub Flow, GitHub Flow. There we have GitHub Flow. Go check. we go check it at the settings and themes. There we have the GitHub flow. Testing, save, play. Hello, you have your hello out there. And we have a little bit more to do. We open Temax and now as I said, we're using Ecodex Saver. So if you watched that video in the past, we use Ecodex Saver with an upland line in the background. You can now do Control K and yes, we're inside of Temax. Now we don't want to be in Temax, so we click that folder icon there. Can you see? And it takes us where we are. We can edit again, you see, index.html. What are we going to do? Let's try to ESLint, though now we'll do that later. So, yeah, let's try to do that. FFF there, right? And let's try to ESLint. ESLint it, though ESLint is for JavaScript, it won't work for HTML. And there we go. You see, we can have ESLint, prettier, and all the other stuff people want. Enabled JavaScript Node.js, though to use Node modules, you need it to be inside of Temax. Remember, it needs to be inside of Temax when you're creating multiple files at the same time, doing all those things that require access to pseudo permissions. Let's create JavaScript and try Node.js. No, we'll do many or up.js, then we do hello world CL tab hello world, right? Hello, save, and node app.js, and we end like this. Hello, that is our thing. That is how it goes. We can have a function add here, right? Let's try to create a function with x and y. Oh, it's a bad function, so let's add the equal sign for it to be a lambda function, and another equal sign here with a greater than. And yeah, what are we going to do? We're going to retain x plus y. X retain x plus y. Save. Let's try to console or to learn this one. Add 6 plus 7, right? And nothing will play here, but let's try it. You see, node app.js. We're not getting the output. We go back and add the output, which is now on top, right? Which is x plus y. So we need it short to the standard output x plus y, and we do the node app.js, and we have 13 there. And that's all. I think that's all. In the next video I'm creating, we'll talk about building an application with Sass, Lace, and all that stuff. It'll be a simple control